G'day everyone, just doing a bit of cleaning around the house and I had the fan very dirty. Trying to work out the best way to give this a clean. You can see there's quite a bit of filth on that there. So I did the usual thing and grabbed a cleaning product. Around the kitchen, wasn't impressed at all. So best thing I thought, go to the garage. Grab some wax and grease remover, what I use when I'm working with steel, cleaning it up. And well, results were amazing. So I'll just put some on some paper towel. As we can see, it's quite filthy. A bit hard to do this. Look at that. Easy. Well, wax and grease remover, just from local hardware shop or auto shop. Excellent. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.